What were we meant to do?
A mini project 12?
Yeah, I think I completed that. Let me just check.
Yeah, okay, I just started about a half hour ago.
Me too.
This one doesn't seem that hard because I started about an hour ago.
No, yeah, I've done that.
But maybe I just was looking at it differently. Do you guys want me to share my screen?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. So I think the first thing we were supposed to do is sort. So I started sorting by the 91 days plus, and I just did the sort, custom sort, and then I was like, that's not what I did, but it's by column now. So, and then I just did it by 91 day plus, and then the 61 to 90 day. So I don't know if you guys have already gotten that far, but
yeah. I've already done that.
Yeah, done that.
And then the conditioning formatting was pretty simple because we just did the video on it, and so you're only supposed to highlight over 10,000, I think, on these ones, and over 5,000 on these, or maybe it's 1,000 on these ones. So, and you don't do yellow caution or the yellow exclamation point on these two columns, but you do it on these two columns.
Mm-hmm.
I did wonder.
Hold on. Yes, that's right. So it's the green one you don't do at all.
Yeah, the green one you don't do at all. Yeah. I did wonder though, so if you go down to the very bottom, well, maybe I shouldn't jump ahead, but I got these NAs, and I'm wondering why.
Oh, I didn't get any NAs.
That's farther than I got.
There's something wrong with your VLOOKUP. Oh, no, that's what column is that? Is that the average monthly sales?
Yeah, that's the average monthly sale.
Yeah, there's got to be something wrong with your VLOOKUP. Just check that it covers the whole box of the monthly sales, or whichever one we had to pull it out of. Yeah, monthly sales.
What VLOOKUP formula did you guys use? Was I supposed to anchor?
Yeah, you should anchor the after monthly sales, the A3 to 0949.
Maybe that did it. Oh yeah, that was my problem. Oh, good. Okay. So that one I just did the VLOOKUP then. And I just averaged, I used my average formula on this sheet, and I just did it across because that's your months. So there's my average. Is that good? Now, I wasn't sure on the next step. It said the the 3 most recent months average. So I wasn't really sure what to do there, but I just kind of guessed. And I just did the average of these last 3 months because it asks you for it.
Oh, did it ask you the average?
Yeah, because it asks you right here.
But Reagan, if you look at your formula, it's wrong.
Is it? For my last 3 months?
Because you got M through O, and M is April. So you have April, May, and your average monthly.
Oh, thank you.
So you're going to have to do L through N.
Oh, man. I didn't average that. I summed it up. Are you sure it's average? What do we have to do?
Yeah, because it says right here, or the average sales for the recent 3 months are 7,000 or greater.
Okay.
Okay, now it's giving me an error. Anyway, so that's what I did there.
I need to change that. And what else? What was P used in? What else was that used in? Average that. Oh.
to determine our gold and silver.
Oh, it changed a lot of my gold and silver now. Holy smokes. So does it say there the average of the last 3 months? Or the sales of the last 3 months?
Says the average sales.
For the most recent 3 months.
Yeah, hold on. So does it say the most... So does it say the average of the last 3 months or the most recent 3 months?
The average sales for the most recent 3 months.
Okay. I did that wrong then.
Okay. Okay, and I think this is where...
But the silver says for the last 12 months, right?
No,
so never mind. It's the same thing. Okay.
Yeah, it's just the 2,000 and 7,000 are different.
Gotcha.
Okay. Now, I am pretty sure I did my my if statement wrong because I didn't incorporate the average or the average for the most recent 3 months in my if statement right here. When you're looking up the class.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to go back and add in my recent 3 months average sales. So I'm still working on that. But, and then I think the last thing I had to do is just conditional format these 3 columns. So my column A, B, and K to
gold and silver.
Yeah, to gold and silver.
Yeah.
So
I struggled with that for a while.
Yeah, I was just trying to do it before I got on, and it was a little more complicated than I anticipated. So,
yeah.
So that's all I got. Make sure you have your totals up here because that was a big step in there.
And don't forget your heading and don't forget a logo.
Yeah. Haven't gotten to that part yet, so.
Nice.
So is the heading for the whole sheet, or is it for the whole, or just for a few?
No, it's for the whole sheet. It says give it a valid heading. I just called it supply aging report.
Okay.
I just merged the whole bunch of cells and gave it a big heading and then put a logo to the left of that.
Did you just grab a custom logo from off the internet, or did you do?
No, it says grab a logo.
Yeah, in the video he says you can just copy and paste any logo you want off the internet. So cool beans. Yeah, this one wasn't too hard, thankfully, but obviously I'm not done yet, so we'll see.
I'm trying to remember how. I want to see how I did the. Let's see how I did the formatting quickly. I know I had a problem with it. Let me scroll down. Okay. Conditional formatting. Manage rules. Edit. Oh yeah, you have to use the one that says use formula to determine which cells to format. So you can create a normal one and then just go in and edit it and then change the rule type.
Which one is that for?
That's for the formatting.
For the gold, the class?
Yep, for the gold and silver. Remember, you add 2. You can't do it in one step. You have to do 2 rules.
Okay, that's right. Okay, so you can highlight all of them. You do the conditional formatting, which will format your columns that say gold and silver, but then you can go add 2 more rules stating to change your column A and column B.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Sounds good enough. And then I'm going to change a few things to meet the standards of professionalism too. So, Peter, where did you see the header at?
Which header? I'm sure I read somewhere. I'm sure I read somewhere that it said. Oh, hold on.
Yeah, step 8 talks about the company logo and put a useful title on the report.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
What's a freeze pane? Do we?
Yeah. So if you go to view, no view. Where is it? View. Hold on.
Yeah, it is view.
Freeze panes, yeah.
Oh, there. So all I did, I just clicked my mouse in. I just clicked my mouse in A10.
You have to put it in the one that's like, yeah, the first column that you don't want to move.
Yeah. Okay, I remember that now.
Yeah, I put it in A10, and then click there, the freeze panel. Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Wait, you put
I
it
lied.
in
I didn't. I put it in. I put my freeze panel in C10. So I clicked on C10, and then I went freeze panel. Freeze panels, yeah, the first one. Because then if you scroll to the right, it still keeps the customer number and the customer name. And when you scroll down, it keeps all the headings.
So you.
My C10 is different to yours.
Yeah.
So under where it says current.
Oh, okay, that's where you put it.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay.
Directly under current. So in C under current. Yeah. And then mine starts on 10 because I added a logo and moved everything down.
Right. Okay.
And then the exam's due this week, eh?
Right,
Yeah.
Saturday.
So we have two. We still have to meet on Thursday because don't we have another project due?
Nope.
Yeah, we don't. Yep. Just the
There
one
is not
project.
another mini project this week. There's another assignment, but not another project.
Okay. Okay.
That's so cool. Sorry, I'm just playing with the freeze panes because I've never done one before.
Yeah, it's pretty cool until you put it in the wrong place.
Yeah.
So, okay, cool. Well, next Monday then is good time.
Yeah, we'll plan on Monday.
Okay. Anything else?
No.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It was a good meeting because I got that that average. So it's average sales for the last quarter. Man, I got that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would have been painful.
Okay, I'll see you guys on Monday.
So
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Oh, will you just send the link now so we can post?
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
I'll see you now.
Cheers.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.